Hello all, my name's Mike Richardson and I'm looking forward to being with you at the end of the month for your leadership session, and we're going to explore the secrets of agility and in particular the why of agility. Why are all kinds of corporations, small and large, local and global, high-tech and low-tech, why are all kinds of corporations looking at pivoting to agile? And the big reason is this thing called VUCA, an acronym which was invented by the US Army College and is now in prevailing use in the commercial world. VUCA stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Would you agree with me that we live in an increasingly VUCA world? It seems to be coming at us thicker and faster than ever before, and we live in an accelerating VUCA world. And there are two flavors of VUCA. There's external VUCA and there's internal VUCA. External VUCA is the volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity that comes from economic factors. It comes from political factors. It comes from competitive factors. It comes from demographic factors and other trends that are helpful and hindering taking shape in your specific industry niche, in your industry space more generally, and in the world more generally, even more so. And then there's internal VUCA. And internal VUCA goes exponential just because of the raw math of growth. As we expand and grow and diversify and extend our reach and add new products and new people and new processes and new territories and new time zones and new shift patterns perhaps, internal VUCA, complexity, communication breakdowns, stresses and strains between departments can accelerate, and things can start to break down into disorganized chaos if we're not careful. And so in an increasingly VUCA world, it's essential that we have an agility operating system. We have a system of operation for agility. Our agility to keep up, our agility to stay ahead, our agility to adapt faster and better, not least of all than our competition. So we will explore together the totality of an agility operating system, the whole challenge, the whole problem, and the whole solution of what it takes to be agile as a leader, as a team, as an organization, as an enterprise. And we'll do a deeper dive into the why agile, what is agility and what is it not, and who in particular, who do you need to be in the equation of your agility as a leader, as a team, and as an organization. And then of course, how, where, and when do you get started on the on-ramp to a more agile future and the transformation journey that entails. We'll do a deep dive into all of that. And as we dive into that, what we'll discover at the core of all of it is your favorite subject of accountability. Accountability is at the core of everything that we're about to discuss. And how do you hold yourselves accountable as a leader? How do you hold yourselves accountable as a team? How do you hold yourselves accountable as an organization with no excuses, with no surprises, and with total ownership? This is what we'll be exploring, and in particular, the expected behaviors that make up our culture of accountability and our culture of agility for that agile operating system that we need in this increasingly VUCA world. Those expected behaviors, and the behaviors that we always expect to see and hear, and we never expect to see and hear around here, and how we are willing to hold each other accountable for those behaviors which are at the core of our agility operating system, which is what it takes to survive and thrive and prevail in an increasingly VUCA world. I'm looking forward very much to being with you for your leadership session and enjoying our workshop together. I'll see you there, and then bye-bye for now, Mike Richardson.